Taking your time to sit in a quiet place. If you're comfortable doing so, closing your eyes and just allowing your attention to go to the place or places in your body where you tend to feel urges. For some people, they notice that urges are most connected to sensations in their stomach. For others, their back, mouth. There's no right or wrong place for an urge to be located. What's most important is that you notice where in your body you most notice urges when they show up. If you have trouble noticing urges, think back to a time when you experienced an urge to engage in an old habit. If you're concerned that thinking about a particular instance when you had an urge will lead to doing the habit, maybe pick a situation where the urge was less strong, or you successfully prevented yourself from acting on the urge. Picture the situation as clearly as you can in your imagination. Once the situation is clear in your mind, notice where in your body you're experiencing the urge. Once you've noticed what part of your body is most connected to the urge, focus your attention on it. Take note of the sensations you're having in your body part. What do the sensations feel like? Does it feel like pressure, tingling, warmth, or coolness? How much space do these sensations take up in this place in your body? Try to draw an outline even around the place where the sensations are felt. See if the sensations have any movement. Some people even tend to associate sensations with colors or temperatures. And so check in to see if you notice any colors or temperatures associated with these sensations. If more than one part of your body is associated with an urge, you can go through this exercise with each body part. Now bring your attention to your breath. You don't need to change your breathing at all. Just notice your breath. Now gently shift your attention back to the part or parts of your body where you notice the urge. Just allow yourself to notice whatever sensations come up in these places. And as I mentioned, if it becomes overwhelming to notice the sensations, just gently return your attention back to breath for a few moments. And then go back to noticing the sensations that are connected to the urge. You may even find it helpful to imagine sending your breath to the parts of the body that are associated with the urge. Notice if and how the sensations change as you watch them. Just practice doing that. Now imagine that the sensations that are connected with your urge are a wave. Watch the wave rise and fall over and over again. Have this Mimic the intensity of your sensations as they peak and subside. Now your job is to use your breath as a surfboard to ride these waves. No matter how big the wave gets, no matter much you feel as if the wave will consume you, you're a skilled surfer and you'll use your breath to ride each wave as it comes. And just practice doing this. And as you're riding the wave or just noticing the sensations, you might find it helpful to silently describe the sensations in an objective but non-judgmental way. For example, I notice warmth in my belly that is increasing. Or the warmth in my belly is decreasing and my belly feels cooler. When you're done surfing the urge, take a moment to thank yourself for taking the time and being willing to do something different with your urges. Knowing that you can watch an urge increase, you can breathe into it and stick with it, observe it, breathe into it, through it, until you notice it starts to decrease and subside, coming down the other side of the wave. And with time, gaining the experience to know that each wave that goes up must come down. And feel free to continue practicing or to bring your exercise to a close.